Finally they came. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're a returning viewer, clicker, subscriber, OG, thank you a little bit extra. Just ignore my hair, okay? Please ignore it. I actually already filmed this video, but the footage, like, we're redoing it. So this is a kind of an unboxing. Well, it is an unboxing, but it's not gonna be my first impressions. I already know what I got at this point, but I'm still just as excited because it did just happen today, only a couple hours ago. So I'm still just as excited. Let me try to fix this hair actually, just for you guys, because normally I wouldn't care. Let's just leave it like that. Let's just leave it like that. I don't even care. I'm not gonna mess with the bun, okay? So today's video is going to be the unboxing of what I got for my all 3 Halloween Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I'm really excited. I'm doing a giveaway in this video as well. I already have curated the giveaway, so I'm just going through the products from each box that I got, but I'm not going to open each box because I already have the giveaway in the deluxe box for whoever's going to win. So I'll get into those details at the end. I will be giving away about half of the products that I got, as well as the full collection of my lashes from my brand Noella Lashes, which is launching on Halloween. I will be giving those away as well. So stay tuned for that. That'll all be at the end. But if you want to see what I got, then let's get into it. Oh my god, my nose is so itchy. Ugh. Also, I have the highlighter, the Mystery Frost highlighter from last year, my inner corners. That might be my new everyday thing. Like, I was sleeping on that. But okay, let's get into it. For the mini box, I got the Unicorn Blood liquid lipstick, as well as the Unicorn Blood lip liner and the Cherry Wet lip liner. I have Cherry Wet, so I'm gonna hold on to this. Super exciting though. I'm glad that I'm gonna have more of his lip liners, and I am gonna hold on to these as well. But super exciting at the same time though. Like I said when I was doing my spoilers videos, I kind of feel like 3 lip products is a little bit boring. However, these are wearable. Also for the time of year, they're very fall. They're not like very Halloween, but they're fall. And I think that if anyone was buying this box just to get a value, totally worth it. Then in the premium box, which was the green box, we got the beanie, of course. Love that. I love that it's black. The orange is like whatever, because you can wear black with everything. So even a pop of orange, it's not a big deal. I love this, and it goes so cute with the shirt, which I'll show you, which you already know about anyway, because we all saw that in the spoilers. But super excited for that. I love beanies. It's beanie weather. Today's actually a perfect beanie day. Then for probably the most exciting thing, at least for me in the premium, and probably for everyone else if they got this or whatever eyeshadow palette they got, I got freaking Blue Blood. You guys, I have been wanting this for so long, and I can't even explain. I just didn't bite the bullet because if you guys know me, I don't have a lot of expensive makeup, and I do like to wait for his mystery boxes because I know I'm getting such a good value for his products, and I'm so excited that I got this in the box. I feel like this is finally doing it justice. Like when I saw the pictures online, obviously I love blue eyeshadow and it's so pretty, but I like wasn't super sold. But now seeing it in person, like I cannot wait to play with this. It looks so pretty, and it's such just a cool piece. Obviously the packaging is really cool. It's bulky, which isn't ideal, but I'm still really excited for it. I cannot wait to use this. I know this is like too little too late, but if you guys want a video with this, please let me know by leaving like a blue heart emoji or something down below, because I would love to do even like a 3 looks 1 palette with that. Let me know. I got the Wet Peach, I think this is. Yes, Wet Peach lip gloss. This is so pretty. It's like orange and pink. So excited. I love his gloss formula. I've said it before and I'll say it again. His promo photos for his glosses were horrible, but I got Candy Drip in another mystery box and I love it. That is one of my favorite gloss of all time, and besides my Buxom glosses. They do not top my Buxom glosses, but oh my god, so pretty. And then I also got the Designer Blood liquid lipstick. This is going in the giveaway. Very similar to Unicorn Blood, which is especially why I only kept one, and I decided to keep the one with the matching lip liner. This is a little bit deeper than Unicorn Blood, so they're both just like a very deep vampy like brown toned red. Beautiful for fall. And I also got the Calabasas lip liner, which I already have. I would love a duplicate, but I'm gonna give it 20, you guys. This is one of my favorite shades of all time from him. I have the lip liner and the liquid lipstick. So Calabasas is going in the giveaway, as well as Posh Spice. This is a beautiful nude lip liner, but way too nude for me. I do not wear nudes like this, and there's no reason I should keep this. I should give it to one of you guys who can use it. So this is a fan favorite for all my pale skin babies out there. So that is super exciting. Then for the deluxe box, of course, I got the t-shirt. I know you guys have seen this already, but it is so cute with the acid wash and the orange star. I love the back. I am excited. I'm probably gonna wear this to bed like every single night. It's so comfy. I tried it on earlier. I really, really love it. And the style of it is so cute. Like, especially in the spring when I'm like a big t-shirt and biker shorts kind of girl, I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. That is like all I wear in the spring and summer, honestly. Let's be real. So then I also got the Bloodlust palette. I already have this palette, so this is for sure going in the giveaway. I'm not even gonna open it up. I want to keep it in this beautiful packaging that it comes with. So this is definitely going in the giveaway. Super exciting. I'm actually really glad I got one of these. It would have been even cooler to get another palette that I don't have, but I'm really happy with Blue Blood, and that I get to give this to you guys. And I also got another lip gloss in Control Freak. I ripped the box by accident, so don't think that this is tampered with. I promise it's not. I just ripped the box trying to get the gloss out when I was looking at the shade. This is a beautiful, beautiful pale pink. Actually, I'll open it since I ruined the box anyway. So this is what it looks like. Super, super pretty, but again, too pale for me. And I think this would go so nicely with Posh Spice. So I figured a perfect lip combo to give to someone. So that is going to be in the giveaway as well. And I also got a velour lip scrub in Strawberry Gum. This smells so freaking good. Ooh, I'm keeping that. I don't do lip scrubs too often, but I do like to have them, and I have another one by him and another one by Fizz and Bubble. I really like their lip scrubs too. And then I'll go into the other exclusive item real quick. Actually, it's this lip ammo. I thought it was the Weirdo in a bullet, but it's not. It's actually Widow, which I think was supposed to be in the cremated palette, and it's just like a plain balm. You can see it has a gray tint to it, so I feel like I would have to wear lip liner or something under this so that it doesn't look like a gray tone on my lips. But honestly, this is just a cool exclusive item. However, if this is a black liquid lipstick, I would be over the moon. I'm actually really mad that it's not, but I'm still happy with it. Beggars can't be choosers, you know what I mean? And I also got the Diamond Juice lip gloss. This is like the lip gloss version of Diamond Wet, which is one of my favorite. This is one of his like Supreme Frosts. So beautiful. So I love this. Like, this is a look. That's a look. And then last but certainly not least, this is what I was probably most excited for because I was hoping they were going to be in here. This is one of his priciest items, like besides eyeshadow palettes, like priciest single items. We got an Extreme Frost. I think I said this in my spoiler videos too, like before we even knew for sure like what the variations were. I was like, if there's an Extreme Frost, sold, done. So I got the shade Choking on Ice. I actually put a little bit on my lid. Oh, so beautiful. So this is like the purple tone. I would have loved the blue one to go with Blue Blood, but this is actually really cool, and it's gonna go with Blue Blood and anything else I do. I'm glad I didn't get the green one because I know I was gonna get the most use out of the blue, pink, or purple one, so I'm very happy that I got this one. Amazing. I am so excited. So the value of these boxes are insane. I really think these are some of the best mystery boxes he's ever done. I think there's the most wearable stuff that he's ever put in there as well. So I'm really happy with it. So I hope that you guys are excited for what I got. So I'm just gonna go ahead and insert a clip at the end here of all the giveaway details. So I'm gonna sign off. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. That will be part of the giveaway rules anyway, but I'll get into that in a minute. So I just wanna say while I'm here on camera, thank you so much. Love you, bye. All right, Mika is joining us for this part of the video. Hello, baby. Hello, my little love munchkin. All right. So she's excited for this giveaway too. So what's going to be included is going to be the Designer Blood Velour Liquid Lipstick, the lip liner in I'm trying to have it focused, but she won't let me. In Posh Spice, as well as Calabasas. This is like one of my favorite shades from him ever. As well as the gloss in Control Freak, which will also pair really well with all of these. And then the Bloodlust palette, of course. And then you're also going to be getting my 3 lashes. These are the sample packaging that I got, but because I haven't opened them at all, I figured I would keep them in this because I have certain lashes put aside for giveaways. So these are Heather, these are Fiona, and these are Mia. So again, like I said, all my reveal video is going up on Saturday, so if you're curious for that, subscribe and stay tuned. But the winner will be getting my lashes, a full set of my lashes, and then all of this Jeffree Star stuff, and I'm going to be keeping it, hello baby, in the mystery box as well, just to keep the like fun alive. So I'm going to go ahead and put up the rules on the screen, but they are going to be to, of course, like this video, comment below. Let's comment a black heart down below for Halloween. Subscribe to my channel, of course. Follow me on Instagram and on my Noella Lashes page. And I think that'll be everything. So I'll leave all that, oh my goodness, linked below too. And good luck to everyone. I will announce the winner next weekend. So this will be open for 1 week. good luck. Thank you for everyone's love and support. I can't wait to see who wins. Mika, say goodbye.